Okay, guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is the 22nd of the 7th, 2024, Monday, 9:07 a.m. Now, just like we do every single week, we're going to go through the news and see what's going to happen potentially in the market, basically set us up for the week. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's go through the news. So today is the 22nd. Here I'm just on daily FX. I've got importance high and medium, and I'm only looking at the US. So today we only have Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which isn't that great. Existing home sales tomorrow. So it looks like a pretty tame week so far. July 24th, S&P Global Composite doesn't really affect the market. Fed Bowman speech later on, nothing really too high impact there. Obviously on Thursday we have durable goods, which again isn't really going to move the market too crazy. And we have initial jobless claims. Nothing too great there. The biggest day, honestly, news-wise, is Friday with core PCE and Michigan consumer sentiment. This isn't a, how can I put it? It isn't a rare news event. It's not a rare Friday. Core PCE and Michigan probably 2 times a month. So nothing too crazy there, honestly. Let's take a look at US 100s, take a look on the weekly. So this week, sorry, last week, we closed bearish. This is the first bearish candle since the 27th of May. So I do believe that we could continue to move down. Either we are going to see a pin bar and close like this, or we're going to close fully bearish. Either way, we're looking at some bearish momentum here. So I do believe that we are going to break this level and hit this level at some point, whether we close here or whether we see some buy pressure. We shall just have to see. But I do believe we are going to touch this level at some point, whether we see buy pressure or whether it just closes bearish and then we continue down to the key level of 18,450. We will see. So if we take a look at the 1 hour, this is kind of the range here, right? It looks as though if I just, in fact, 1 hour. So we've got this buy pressure here. We've got a little bit of sell pressure here as well. We've got this nice level here that we're just coming towards now. So if I zoom out, we've got buy pressure here. Okay, fair enough. Where are we more than likely going to see sell pressure? Let's take a look. So if I move this up, right, we've got sell pressure here, which is where we're already at. But I can see a lot more sell pressure here. And that would make sense, to be honest. So I do believe that we are going to see a short at some point. Again, if we break this level, and then we'll continue to look for moves to the downside. So this week, for a sell here, and then potential for another one later on in the week. And then whether we see buy pressure here or not, we shall see. So put another one here. That is what I'm looking for this week on US 100. Purely shorts last week closed bearish, so therefore I'm only looking for plays to the downside. US 30, let's take a look at this. So US 30, what happened on the weekly? Closes as a pin bar. So what's happened here? We broke all-time highs. We moved up to 41,400-ish. And then we rejected. So more than likely going to go to 40,000, then see a move to the upside. So minor sell pressure here. Tiny bit of a move to the downside. We can get rid of that. Move to the downside, 40,000 is your target. And then we're looking for moves to the upside here. So again, more than likely going to see a stop hunt. and then a move to the upside there. Let's get this out. Nice key level there. That's what I expect this week. On USD, I expect this week to close as a pin bar to the upside. Probably closing around the 41,000 level. That's if we have a really good week. If not, probably around the 40,600 level, something like that. Gold. So with gold, let's take a look at this. Take a look at the weekly here. So what is gold telling us? We've got sell pressure here, here, here. It's telling us that the banks don't really want this above 2,450, honestly. So honestly, I'm going to be looking for sells. Let's take a look at FX Blue. So let's have a look at long term. Long term gold is really strong. Okay, fair enough. USD is weak. Medium term gold is weaker than the USD. Short term gold is weaker than the USD. So it seems as though we are going to keep on moving to the downside. If we take a look, in fact, on the weekly, this could go all the way down to 2,324 this week. It could be a really bearish week for gold. So I'm going to put that here. Hourly. Put that there. And then minor exhaustion, 2,390. All the way down to 2,320. And that, guys, is basically it. We have our analysis for the week. So let's go over that one more time. US 100. Looking for moves to the downside, but I do expect it to see buy pressure at some point. So every sell that I place, I will be closing a little bit earlier because I do expect buyers to come in at some point and move this to the upside and close as a pin bar. If we do break this key level here of 19,480, then we more than likely are going to continue the next day. So if we do get a sell today, we're taking profits right here. We're not holding because buyers can just come in and shift this to the upside. Let's take a look at US 30. US 30, we're looking for a initial move to the downside, but then longs coming in at 40,000. Probably looking for a long on Wednesday, Thursday, 40,222. On gold, it seems like this is going to be a bearish week. Seems as though we're going to move down to 2,320. Looking for sales at 2,420 and also 2,390. Those are your key levels. And that is your analysis for the week, guys. Got a clear week. In terms of news, Friday is the highest impact day, but that's nothing too special. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you learned something. That's your weekly analysis, and I shall see you later, guys. Take care. Have a great trading week. Bye-bye.